Most people get confused when they try to cash out from Giraffe. They assume there is a fixed payout amount, or that they can withdraw instantly once they install the app. But here's the truth no one tells you. The minimum payout in Giraffe depends on the reward system, your region, and the available redemption options inside the app at the time you cash out. In this video, I'll break down how the Giraffe minimum payout works in 2026, what you should expect, and how to avoid common mistakes that stop people from withdrawing successfully. Let's get straight into it. Giraffe is a reward app where you earn points by playing mobile games. Those points build up over time and can be exchanged for gift cards or other rewards depending on availability. Now, the minimum payout is the lowest amount of points you need before you can request a withdrawal. But this is where most people fail. They start playing without checking the redemption threshold first. Then they get frustrated when they realize they are still far from the minimum required balance. For example, Jake plays casually for a few days, builds a small amount of points, and tries to cash out immediately. He realizes he hasn't reached the threshold yet. Alex, on the other hand, checks the minimum payout requirements first, plans his gameplay, and focuses on reaching the target efficiently. That simple difference saves a lot of time and frustration. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The minimum payout can vary depending on the reward option you choose. Some gift cards may require fewer points than others, so your choice of reward can affect how quickly you can cash out. But here's the problem. Many users assume they can withdraw cash instantly like a banking app. That's not how reward platforms work. You need to accumulate enough points first, and that takes consistent usage over time. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to reach the minimum payout faster, without wasting time on low-reward games. Before that, it's important to understand that different games offer different earning rates. Some games build points quickly, while others are much slower. Now here's the simplest strategy. Focus on games that consistently give higher reward rates per minute of play. Avoid switching games too often, because that slows down your progress toward the payout threshold. Consistency is the key factor here. Let's quickly recap. Giraffe has a minimum payout requirement before withdrawal. It varies based on reward type and region. Game selection affects how fast you reach it. Consistency matters more than random play. And planning your gameplay helps you cash out faster. If you follow this approach in 2026, you'll reach the minimum payout more efficiently and avoid wasting time on low-value gameplay. If this guide helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more app earning explanations, and comment if you've already tried Giraffe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.